Hello, my dears, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I'll show you an easy way to make a French cream slice, also known as a Napoleon cake, with a dreamy caramel topping. You can find the full list of ingredients down in the description. Let's start by baking our first sheet of puff pastry. I love the store-bought kind. They're such good quality, and honestly, I'd rather skip making it myself. Prick the pastry all over with a fork so it won't puff up too much, and bake it at 200 degrees Celsius for about 5 to 7 minutes. Now for the second sheet, cut it into neat little squares before baking. This makes life so much easier later, because slicing through the cream after assembly can be tricky. Prick these squares as well, then bake them at the same temperature for 5 to 7 minutes. Look at those adorable little pastry pillows. Next, let's make the cream. You'll need 4 egg yolks and ½ liter of milk. Add 200 grams of sugar and 1 packet of vanilla sugar, about 40 grams, and whisk well. If you have a real vanilla at home, scrape in a little for extra magic. Now whisk in 130 grams all-purpose flour, stirring until smooth. Cook gently while stirring constantly so it doesn't burn. You'll end up with a thick, fragrant custard. When it starts to bubble, it's ready. While it's still warm, cover the surface with heat-resistant plastic or a bag to keep it from forming that typical pudding skin. Be careful, it's hot. Let it cool completely, but don't put it in the fridge. From the 4 egg whites, beat a fluffy meringue over a pot of simmering water. No, the video isn't sped up. I just switched to turbo mode. Add 100 grams of sugar. It is ready when the sugar dissolves, and the meringue is glossy and stiff. Now gently fold the vanilla custard into the meringue, a little at a time. I like to combine them over the steam as well for an extra smooth texture. Spread this gorgeous cream over the large baked pastry sheet and smooth it out. Top with those cute little pastry squares. This is the perfect time to cut along the pre-scored lines. Just follow the little roads between the squares. And now for the best part, the caramel topping. Melt 100 grams of sugar. Once it's fully melted, carefully stir in 50 milliliters of lukewarm cream. It is ready when it is silky and smooth. Pour the caramel over the top layer while it's still hot. Don't worry if it drips between the squares. That's where the best bites hide. Bon appétit, my dears! If you'd like to see more simple and delicious recipes like this Caramel Napoleon cake, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. I've got plenty more treats to share with you.